I just replaced this back door on a 2005 GMC Denali. Just going to run through real quick what I did to replace it. Started off opening the driver's side door. You'll notice here there's a little wiring harness that I used a little plastic pry tool. Just kind of push in, have to push in kind of firm, and you'll notice that that will pop right out. Basically just pushed in against that clip there. As it comes out, I'll take you kind of back over here. Now this particular door, the one that got to replace it, the wire harness was ripped out. The connectors were bad, so I actually had to replace the whole wire harness in the door. To do that, if you ever have to do that, if it matters, these wire into the locking mechanism, which I had to reach in there. Purple on top, green on bottom, if that matters. That's to the let's see, the window button operating there. That's to the window motor here, and that is the speaker wire. And these were popping out through there, which ultimately connects behind here. So, which once I got that side off, come over here. Love my running around on my video here. Got the pry bar again, and you'll notice I just simply pried here. Got to kind of come in from the top. And actually I went in from the top, moved a little bit, and then came in from the bottom, pried out like that. Now the reason I'm doing this, just to show you what I had to do to watch that other side clip in. That'd be awesome. To disconnect this. Oh, this is funny. It didn't do this the first time. There we go. Okay, so, and then basically you'll lift up the tab, you'll pull them out. You got your top one with your power wires and your control wires on the bottom. But that's how you pull out the harness. Now, to actually take the door off, fairly simple. You have 3 10mm bolts, one at the top, one in the middle holding the door stop, and then one down on the other door hinge. Now, basically, once you remove those 3 bolts, you'll notice right here, it literally slides up off of, and of course, once you disconnect the wire harness, so disconnect the wire harness first, 3 10mm bolts. Once you remove those bolts, the door will then lift up. And as you can see, this was the old door. I just kind of used my truck to work out of, but from there, I was able to take apart the door, remove the wire harness, switch them out, and replace the good door, because this one, as I said, was hit by a tire. Not sure if you can really see that, but it was tore apart pretty well. Anyway, hope this helps.